Hey guys, today I thought I would give you a secret recipe I have been using for 22 years for cake pan grease. How I got the recipe was way back in time, way around 2001, 2002. I was a Wilton cake instructor, and Wilton used to just give this recipe out to all its students. But then after a few years, I believe that they decided that they could sell it because at the time that they removed the recipe from the literature and didn't have us give it to the students anymore was about the time they started selling a baking spray. I can't prove it, but same timeline. But anyway, I kept the recipe and I've used it in my cake business all these years, and it's great. Your cakes will just fall right out of the pan. And it's very easy to use. It's only 3 ingredients. It doesn't need refrigeration. It's just a no-brainer. It's just really good. Can't speak highly enough of it. So I thought I would share the recipe with you. But under one condition: if anybody asks, shh, I didn't give it to you.